Hi there. Today we're going to show you how to create an audience on edis.io. Click Audiences in the left sidebar. Now click the Create Audience button. Input a name for your audience in order to easily identify it later. In the next dropdown, select your brand. Update any age requirements if necessary. In the next field, enter a location, then wait a moment for the dropdown to populate with results. Select a location for each network, one for Facebook, one for LinkedIn, and one for TikTok. If there is a specific interest, in the next field, input what you would like to target. You may click on Advanced to expand on a more detailed targeting criteria, but we recommend that you leave that at the default unless you know what you are doing. Now click Submit in the bottom right. Once your audience is saved, you could click to expand details about the audience that you've created and their segments across the networks. That's it. You've created an audience using edis.io. Thank you.